What's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today I'm bringing you another unboxing video. Alright guys, so yes, we do have a brand new unboxing video for you guys. Today we have the Nike Dunk Low Retro SE. This is part of the lottery pack. So this is the colorway Pale Ivory, Black Malachite, and that's all it is. If you guys can see right there, hopefully that's in focus. And opening up the box, we have some additional little trinkets here. So we get this basically this little card here, this little piece of paper, and it says, "Swoosh may have slight variations due to the nature of the material. Included coin charm may be used to scratch off swoosh top coat, revealing the graphic. The graphic will reveal underneath swoosh surface over a period of wearing." So what this basically means is that we'll get into it, but the actual swoosh itself is a scratch off, just like a lottery ticket would be, and underneath is gonna reveal a special pattern that we'll see in just a second. But just wanted you guys to see that real quick right there. And then what's under that scratch off top coat on the swoosh is going to be this pattern that is that special print on the paper itself. You can see right here. And then as we open it up, this is the green pair for the lottery dunks right here. Close the box right there. So this is going to be the, you know what? Let me actually take this one out of the box as well, just because this is the one with the little scratch off token right there. So you can see that right there. But yeah, so I was actually able to pick these things up. They released on the Nike app, as well as, so first off, they released on the Nike app right away. I think they released at like 10 in the morning or something like that on the Nike app. This colorway, and then another colorway that I also had gotten as well. That colorway is going to be in a separate video, probably right after this video, to be honest. JD Sports and Finish Line did an exclusive status access. So you were able to actually pick these things up as long as you were granted access to status. Status basically is like, so before the shoes actually release, they'll grant you status access. You go in, and if you're selected, you have to spend your points. So you have to have a certain amount of points on Finish Line and JD. And then for this one, it was 2,000 points. So you spend your 2,000 points, and you're able to get the shoe. Once the shoe releases, you'll get another email saying that, okay, credit card, whatever payment method goes through. And then, you know, obviously they're going to provide tracking for shipping and stuff like that afterwards. So they reduct the 2,000 points basically as a hold. Then they charge the shoe on release date, and then you get those 2,000 points as well as the points for purchasing the shoe to keep building your account. So guys, this is the shoe right here. The first thing off the bat that I did want to point out is this right here. It says the Ultimate Dunk, and then on the bottom of it, it says scratch off coin, and then it has the little Nike branding right here. I want to make sure you guys get a nice clear shot of that. It's a really cool little add-on feature for this pack. And then on the back, you can see it's like a rough textured material that's actually supposed to be used to scratch off the swoosh. So on my pair, I did notice some people's pairs are a little bit different. Some people's pairs have like chips missing already from the factory. Some are actually able, some say that they're actually able to see the design underneath. In certain lighting, I guess, they say that you're able to actually see it. Personally, on my pair, this pair is perfectly intact. On actually both pairs here, on both the shoes, I can't see anything through it, as you can see. I mean, it's perfectly intact, both pairs. But yeah, apparently some people's have come a little bit different. But underneath, like I said, it's going to be that paper design. I believe this one is black and gold. And then the other pair, you're going to have to wait for that video to find out what color that one's going to be. But yeah, let's get right into it. So another special feature is the laces right here. It's a little bit different material than your normal set of laces. It's almost like, think of like a ribbon cutting ceremony for something, right? So when you let's say you win the lottery, maybe they have you cut the ribbon or something. I don't know, but it's like that, almost that material. It's a very like, it's hard to explain. It's almost like a velvet or something. It's very, very like silky. Silk. That's what it is. It's like very silky type of lace right here. Going to the tongue, you got that Nike badge right here going on the nylon tongue, but it's like that lottery. It's like that especially lottery logo Nike. And then going right into the shoe right here on the insole, you got that same exact logo for the lottery pack right there. You have a sail insole as well as some sail hits on here. I guess they call it pale ivory, but you can kind of tell this is not a bright white, especially the midsole right here. It's like almost like a sail. Pale ivory is what they call it, but just think of sail. That's kind of how it looks. I don't know if the camera's gonna, portray it like it is, but it's definitely a sail. It's not a bright white. Going to the heel, you have the Nike in white, as well as this color blocking on any shoe is so clean to me. Where you have that, that malachite green with the black swoosh and then the white toe box. It's basically the Chicago in a dunk form. You got the black swoosh, like I said, right there. Outsole is that clean malachite green. Going to the toe box, if you notice, let me just pull out some of this paper padding right here. You can kind of see that this dunk, so listen, it's a dunk, right? Like the leather on the dunks is not good in general for any dunk that you're gonna buy. But I know this, I've watched some videos saying like, oh, the leather on these are trash, they're trash. They're actually better than the general release dunks that we've been getting. So it's better than the Pandas, a little bit better than, the Team Reds or the Midas, all those recent releases. This is actually a little bit better. It is definitely a little bit higher quality leather. It's a lot softer to the touch. You can even kind of tell on the green right here. Feels like a little bit more padded. So, you're getting a little bit more quality. Like I said, don't think this is premium by any means. It's just a little bit upscaled quality than what you would normally get on your regular dunks, your Pandas, and so forth. But overall, man, this is a super, super clean colorway. I'm very happy I was able to pick this one up. Like I said, I struck out on this colorway on Nike. Thankfully, I was selected for status on JD Sports and Finish Line, so I was actually able to get these. I tried to get a second pair of the other colorway as well from that status access. I just couldn't get through. I was able to get these through on these like super quick, like almost exactly at 11 o'clock. And the other ones, then all of a sudden I was bounced into a queue after I bought these. And by the time I got through, my size was already sold out. I think size like 9 and then like 8.5 and 8 was still available. But other than that, they sold out super quick, man. All right, guys, so let me know what you guys think about these things down below in the comments section. Were you able to pick these things up? Did you get status access? Did you hit on Nike? Let me all know down in the comments. And also just your thoughts, overall thoughts and opinions on these things. Do you actually like this colorway? Do you like the other colorway even better? We'll get more into that when I do the next video for the other pair. But yeah, just let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you are smashing that like button. Also, if you are new around here, please subscribe to the channel. I've been producing a lot of content recently, and I do appreciate the support. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss another one of my videos, please. And other than that, guys, my name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and I'm out. Peace.